State Senator Scott Wiener announced legislation today making California a safe place for parents wanting to avoid having their trans children taken away from them. Ground 4's Rob Nesbitt joins us live with more on the three components of this legislation. Rob.
Pam, governors and legislators in a number of states, including Texas, Louisiana, and Idaho, are trying to make it illegal for parents to allow their kids the right to get gender-affirming care. Senator Wiener's bill would protect those families if they come here to California. Surrounded by trans youth and adults, Senator Scott Wiener announced the legislation that aims to protect parents in other states from having their trans kids taken away for letting them receive gender-affirming health care.
Imagine signaling to a child that because of who you are, you're going to be taken away from your parents and put in foster care, and your parents are going to be thrown in jail.
The legislation makes California a place of refuge through three main components: rejecting out-of-state court judgments, removing trans kids from their parents' custody. It will bar compliance in California with any out-of-state subpoena, seeking health care information about someone who comes to the state to receive gender-affirming care. And lastly, the legislation makes it public policy that any out-of-state criminal arrest warrant for someone violating a law against receiving gender-affirming care will be the lowest priority for California law enforcement. Mimi Demiso is the executive director of Our Family Coalition that's been providing services to trans people since 1996. She understands that protections are needed for the trans community, but is disheartened when those protections are challenged in some parts of the country.
The simple thing is we can't change the language or the conversation if we're in Texas versus Virginia versus California. I think we need to just demand full and complete equity. Otherwise, none of us are free.
She wants to see more trans people brought into the conversation, like co-executive director of the Gender Health Center in Sacramento, Lauren Polito. He spoke Thursday in support of Senator Wiener's legislation, saying that gender-affirming care is both medically necessary and life-saving.
There is no one braver and more divine than a trans person who wants to so desperately to be free that they live their truth in spite of the naysayers and the protesters who wish harm to us.
The three-part legislation aimed to protect trans kids and their parents is co-sponsored by Planned Parenthood and Equality California.
To transgender youth anywhere in the country, and to your families who stand with you in affirmation, let this legislation reinforce your armor and your renewal.
Senator Wiener's office says that the legislation will be introduced to the full California Senate later this month. Live in San Francisco, I'm Rob Nesbitt, Ground 4 News.